Do you like luxury? I do. Ah yes, the Eldorado. This is the 1970 Eldorado, and they changed the body style for starting in 1971. They got bigger, larger, wider, just huge by 1971 to 72 models. This particular one is a 1972 Eldorado. I just love these cars. I have a lot of time behind the wheel of Eldorados from the 70s. They used to be really inexpensive, and I used to like buying them for a few $100 and bombing around in them. I used them for everyday drivers, commute cars. I commuted with these cars for a long time. Just absolutely adore these massive cars. They are huge. And you know it when you're behind the wheel. I mean, you don't go around corners fast. You just hail this car commands and it goes. You turn the wheel and then it kind of decides to go in that direction after it thinks about it for a couple seconds. I love the styling of the 71 and 2 in particular. The beveled rear design is just a really interesting design. Look at that bevel that goes through the rear bumper and into the trunk lid. Really complex piece of sheet metal. Really great design. Of course, it has the 8.2 liter or 500 cubic inch engine, largest production engine offered. This throwback design here also has the side scoop, simulated side scoop on the 71 and 2 models only. And opera windows, which would become super popular in the 70s. And plenty of luxurious, genuine imitation wood. Yes, the glory of simulated wood is everywhere in this car. Absolutely love it. Look at that command center there. As you drive down the road, you are master of all you survey. The 60/40 split comfort seats in leather. This particular example is just gorgeous. Has an 8-track player, all the conveniences. And look at that. Again, just bask in the glory of the simulated wood trim. It's so great. I just love these cars. Giant doors open up, and if you're in a back seat, you've got the rear seat passenger has his own door handle here to get out. I don't know exactly why they did that, but they figured if you're in the back seat, you need to get out, and nobody else was in the car, you could. There's the turn signal indicators on the front fenders. They light up with fiber optics, and this halo vinyl top treatment is really interesting. Little space. The vinyl top doesn't meet the glass. It kind of has a little space in there. Just love this design. Love the styling. The convertible version is beautiful as well. Don't often see hardtops on display at car shows, and I was really happy to see this there. And there's another example of that bevel design. Just really gorgeous. I absolutely love these cars. I mean, you are just king of the road when you drive this thing. Thanks for hanging out with me. I had to share this beautiful Eldorado with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time in the garage.